Hey everyone, my name is Al and welcome to my channel, Kindred Souls of America. And today I'm here with Marilyn Monroe at Sarasota Architectural Salvage. And we're here to find a whole bunch of Americana and history. This is a place that's been here for many, many years. It's going to be closing in a couple of months, so stay tuned. Hope you enjoy the video. I know you're going to love it. So we're in Sarasota on 11th Street. This is 1093 11th Street. And right away when you come in, who greets you is none other than Marilyn Monroe. And I don't know where she was situated before this, but she's actually sold. But this is an amazing place. We're going to walk through. We're going to show you. But I've never been here before. So as I was telling you, I know the building was sold. So the guy has to go. I think he's going to Bradenton, upstate, in a little north of Sarasota. But this is going to be interesting to go take a look at. I mean, all kinds of stuff. I mean, look, just when you first go in, you see this horse head. I mean, this is the kind of place if you were going to open a restaurant or just have like a fun room or just anything really. I mean, I just can't wait to see what I find in here. I see some neon in there. So let's go take a look. So we have this interesting tiki head here. A lot of metal work. I mean, I'm sure like this is kind of something if you're into like refurbishing this. I mean, this is what they do here. You go up. It's kind of a little raw, but I mean, this is what makes it fun. You got this whole spirit of adventure when you come through here. Look at this, all kinds of French doors. Parlez-vous français? Wow, these had to have come from churches or something. Wow. So look, just as you walk in, look at that, Louis and Gina. A whole bunch of kitty cats. There's a horse. Carrie loves her horses. I mean, some old-time cars. Wow. Oh, this is like their desk. We can't go back here. Honky Tonk Man. That was a Clint Eastwood movie. I wonder if that's part of that movie or something else. Look at that. A little album dish for like pretzels and stuff. I like your shirt, ZZ Top.
Thank you, bro.
Wow, this brings back memories. They made a lamp out of this, but 8mm movies. Wow. Hey, we're here with Jesse, the owner. Jesse, how you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm great. I've never been here before. I love it. Can you tell us a little bit about the place?
We've been here for almost 25 years. I started this with the idea of keeping really cool stuff from going to landfill. And as you go around, you see everything for the home, whether it's like antiques and collectibles or doors and windows. Just basically, it's a cornucopia of fun and architectural finds. So
it looks amazing. You've been here so long. I mean, you're moving to Bradenton, you said, right? Eventually?
We're basically closing this retail operation.
Okay.
Right now, everything is 50% off in the store. And so once we close, we're going to be doing online business only.
Oh, wow. So this is going to go away. Wow.
Yeah.
It's going to be well missed.
It is.
Maybe you'll reconsider and do a store again.
Yeah, we'll see.
I hope you do.
Yeah.
You have a nice place here, Jesse. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you. So that was great. Special thanks to Jesse for being on the channel with us. Look at this. We got koalas. Look at that. Yeah, I hope he ends up doing a retail store again because he's really got, wow, look at this. He's really got a good personality and I think he attracts a lot of business. Howard the Duck, look at this. I feel like I should get that because I feel like, who do I know? Is someone I know who loves Howard the Duck. I know Louis would like it. 50% off. Well, Louis, you come to Sarasota, so hopefully you can get here before April. And you could see if you want to get some stuff. I mean, talk about a trip. You know, some people would look at this and they would say, oh, this is, crazy or whatever. I love it because it's a treasure trove, and it's a whole, you never know what mystery you're going to find. When I was little, my dad was a watchmaker, a master watchmaker, and he lived till like 93. So we used to always do flea markets. He loved looking for watches at flea markets in New York. So as a kid, I spent a lot of time. We used to have, attend flea markets. We used to have like a table at a flea market. So this all kind of is a positive thing for me. It just reminds me of being there and finding all these different things. And of course, I would help my dad during the day. And usually, I'd get something at the end of the day, a GI Joe or something that I'd find. And so maybe I was a Machiavellian little kid. No, I love my dad, so I love spending time with him. But you know how it is. Letters. Wow. Statues, decapitated statues. Talk about losing your head over something, huh? Santa stops here. I would love to do a Santa Claus restaurant. I mean, you need a lot of money for something like that. Hey, look, it's Grogu. Grogu, your movie's coming out this May. I hope it does well. Where's Mando? Looks like some pin-up stuff there. Looks like a Disney thing. Yep. Snow White. Look at that. Lots of stuff. Books, Pepsi signs. I don't even know if I could go back here or not. This is just an extra room. Somehow I lost Carrie along the way. Oh, there she is. Stained glass. Wow, my mom loves stained glass. This is very expensive and very hard to do. Stained glass. You don't see a lot of it anymore. This looks like some kind of World War II thing, like Mussolini or something. Slot machine. Look at this, a slot machine thing. A reel actually was part of a slot machine.